Dan leen ak jam nanga def tey nun naa leen ak sant naa leen ci seetaan sama video bi. I thank you so much for tuning in. This is a requested video to see how I filter the aloe vera plant and use it on my hair. Hope that you like, subscribe, and comment. So here are the items that you're going to need. The very first one is Wolof, which is your blender, and the next one is going to be CoupeDecale, which is the aloe vera plant. And we're going to need a spoon or a knife or some grater to grate the aloe gel out of the pot. And of course, make sure to have a medium bowl and some paper filters. So if you've been wondering what are the benefits of aloe vera, I love it personally for cleansing and moisturizing my hair, my nails, and my skin. If you've ever wondered where this plant is from, it's originally from Africa, different regions of Africa. And now it's grown worldwide. If you've ever wondered what are the names for this plant, guess what? It has so many names. So I will go ahead and give you just a few, and hopefully this will be memorable. Tudumfing jikabaya, or you can say Tudumfing nenekaba. Another one is CoupeDecale, and the last one umhlaba, or you can say umhlaba. So now it is time to fold the cloth that I will be using to filter. One of the main reasons I fold it is to make sure that the paper filtration catches all the tiny fibers. Once I'm done with this process, I'm able to use this liquid in so many forms. I can cook with it, use it as a body spray, hairspray, facial lotion mix, and so many more things that I do with it. So here it is. It is liquefied, all fibers removed, fresh and ready to be used. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, Ben and Yon.